If you had to significantly change one universally loved song, what one are you changing and how? I would change Get Lucky to, Rainy, to Get Bucky. Hello everybody, thanks for coming out to live comedy. So, are anybody sick of Get Lucky yet? How long's that been? That's been like what? Just the other day, I found out on Twitter, you saw this? Get Lucky came out 7 years ago. 7 years ago.
I was thinking, like, imagine, like, we Neds did, like, a cover version of Get Lucky. What would it sound like? And I was thinking it'd be like this. Got my ukulele out. Click, cling, 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 cling. Cling, 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 cling. Cling, 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 cling. Like the legend of Porcel. The Stanley Blade. We're up all night to tax jackets. We're up all night to smash windies. We're up all night to cause a rammy. We're up all night to drink Bucky. We're up all night to drink Bucky. We're up all night to drink Bucky. We're up all night to drink. We're up all night. Come on, everybody. We're up all night to drink. We're up all night to drink. We're up all night to drink Bucky. We're up all night to drink Bucky. We're up all night to drink Bucky. We're up.
Come on, everybody. Oh, come on, laugh. Laugh. Ha 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 ha.
I can see everyone's not, we're not yet got back into the swing of live comedy yet. I'll put it down to that. But guys, we can't survive without your backup here. We need your laughter. Get off. I'll get off in your face.